Hello beautiful souls, welcome back on my channel. Today on Thoughtful Thursday, as the name suggests, I'd like to share some thought-provoking concepts which will help us condition our minds as we go along this journey called life. And today's word is perception. Perceptions are merely our own point of view or opinions about something that we believe is true. And why is that? Because it makes sense to us and it gives us a deeper understanding of a particular topic. But then, if it is true for you, then it is true for everyone. Everyone has their own perception, own perspective about everything that they come across. So then, why do we feel upset when someone does something that they want to do? It's merely because our perception makes us expect, and these expectations makes us react in a certain way to the people we are connected with. To bring more clarity to that thought, let me give you an example. In a relationship, there's always this need for togetherness. Now, togetherness, depending on the counterpart, could mean anything. Maybe for one person, togetherness means just spending time alone, lazing around, doing nothing, catching up on a movie or something. But for the other person, it could mean being out there in the open, doing something adventurous, being with people, hanging around with friends. So, with such different perspectives, how do we get along? Now, such situations makes us think and entitle the other person to be either right or wrong, when literally there is no right or wrong way to do anything, because everyone is reacting and responding based on their own perception. In life, there might have been so many such instances where you might have felt people walked out on you. You were wronged, you were hurt, you were betrayed, you were ignored. But there is really no reason to feel that way, because all those instances have only made you stronger. Take a moment and think about it. Yes, it really made you stronger because it only pushed you forward, because every time you face such instance, you wanted to prove yourself and you moved one step closer to being a better version of yourself. All those instances have made your mind so strong that you yourself don't realize it. If all those moments have helped condition your mind to grow so strong, then why not today just embrace all those experiences and just say a big thank you. Thank you for all those experiences, because it only allowed me to grow and evolve. Just by doing that, you will see a positive shift in your mindset and you will just keep going with the flow and the ride will be so enjoyable. You will start feeling so much more lighter because all those instances which were bringing you down are now uplifting you to move ahead. Just smile and try to incorporate this new perception, this new perspective into your life and see how life changes magically. I'm sure you're all excited and charged up to incorporate this new perspective into your mindset to bring about a change in your lifestyle. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like, share and subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so that you know next time my video drops in. And also leave a comment below. I would really love to know what your perception says and maybe some thoughts for the next Thoughtful Thursday. I'm dedicating myself to bring in more such content for you, for us, to inspire, be inspired and get inspired. Love and light.